Hmm? Which is bubbles? What's that? What is that? What is that? Okay. What's that? What is that? Ooh, good job. Pop the bubbles. Pop them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Good job. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Can I high five? Okay, here's another one. Come on. Can you do this one for me? Can you do that one for us, Dave? Put it together. Show me. Good job. Give me a high five. Oh, get him. Pop him. You pop him. Pop, pop, pop. Good job. That was so good. Can you do another one? You want another one? Okay, let's do this one. Let's find this one. Okay, hold on. Let's do this one over here, okay?
Cow.
A cow? Where's a cow? Let's do this one right here. Okay, what's that? Can you do this one for me? Wait a minute. Whoa, wait. Okay. Do that one for me. Can you show me? What's that? What is that? Good girl. Oh, tickle. What's that? Uh-oh. What is that? Yeah. What's that? What is that? Good job. Uh-oh. These two. Okay.
He's coming.
There you go. Now do it. Good job. What is that? What is that? What is that?
He's playing right now.